Every day in organizations, managers are required to make decisions. Some of these choices are simple, while others are so complex that they necessitate specialized tools. This is where decision support systems, commonly referred to as DSS, play a critical role in information management. Imagine a hospital administrator who needs to allocate limited resources, such as ICU beds, during a pandemic. The process involves sifting through mountains of data, patient case histories, resource availability, staffing levels, infection trends, and more. Relying on instinct alone would be both risky and inefficient. Instead, the administrator turns to a decision support system. A decision support system is not a single software or a fixed set of rules. Rather, it is a computer-based information system that supports complex decision-making and problem-solving. DSS collects and analyzes massive volumes of unstructured and semi-structured data, presenting it in a way that is straightforward for managers to understand and use when taking action. At its core, a DSS typically comprises three main components: the database, the model base, and the user interface. The database maintains all the relevant data, such as financial numbers, customer information, inventory status, or, in the hospital example, patient records. The model base contains the methods or algorithms for data analysis, simulation, or forecasting. The user interface is the bridge. It translates complex findings into clear, actionable insights that non-technical users can interpret and interact with. Let's walk through another application: a supply chain manager at a global retail company. The manager must decide how much inventory to order for each distribution center, considering fluctuating consumer demand, transportation costs, supplier schedules, and seasonal factors. A DSS can simulate various scenarios, compare the outcomes, and highlight the most efficient paths. This empowers the manager to minimize costs and maintain customer satisfaction. The versatility of DSS makes it invaluable across diverse fields. From urban planners optimizing city traffic flows, to financial analysts weighing investment portfolios, to environmental scientists projecting climate change impacts, DSS brings clarity to uncertainty. Its real strength lies not in replacing human judgment, but in equipping decision makers with timely, relevant, and credible information. Modern DSS often integrates advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and big data analytics, providing even deeper insights and predictive capabilities. These systems can learn from historical patterns, identify hidden trends, and recommend prescriptive actions. However, the quality of decisions still depends on the quality of data and models fed into the system, as well as the judgment of the decision maker interpreting the results. In summary, decision support systems are fundamental in effective information management across industries. They transform overwhelming data into a strategic asset, helping users navigate complex choices, anticipate challenges, and seize opportunities. Ultimately, DSS reshape not just how decisions are made, but how organizations compete and innovate in a data-driven world.